give me an AI business model that I can copy paste right now. Kind of those titles were just copy me 10K.
Yeah.
I love that. Okay, copy paste 10K AI business model. Well, I had a chat with Chris, the guy recently from India. Basically what he's doing is he has AI scrape Google Maps for, like car detailing shops or whatever. And you can do this, by the way, worldwide. You don't need to do it in your local area. You can do it like anywhere. So you just take Google Maps, you take one specific area, for example, right? And then you say, all right, we'll figure out how to do it, right? I don't know how to do it, but you have to figure it out. Google Maps AI scrape me car detailing shops. It goes out and gives you all the information, right? Scrapes their phone, their website, whatever. Then you go ahead, you pull out all their info from their website, you go to bolt.new or you go to lovable.dev and you say, build me a website for this car detailing shop. And this is all of their info from their current site. Their current site is shit. Build me like a much better one, right? Guess what? It goes ahead, it builds out the whole website for you. Then screen record the website or like do a Loom. If you want to you can just do a Loom. You can say, hey, what's up? My name is George. I put together this new website for you. Take a look at it. You're in a little circle, then you're showing the website. Look, these are all your pages. This is all your info. It's like super personalized, right? You pull all their images and then you put together an email, you send it to them and you say, hey, I made you a website, a new website. Do you want to buy it? Are you interested in getting a new website, right? And the conversion rate is going to be super high because it's personalized. Like if you just reach out to someone, no video attached, you're just like, hey, you need to get more clicks on your YouTube videos, yada, yada. That's crap. Like your response rate is going to be super low. But if you're like highly personalized, highly targeted, you are going to have a big reply and a big close rate as well. And if you charge 2.5K, for example, for a website, you only need to sell 4 websites a month in order to make 10K. You can just literally do it from your computer, right? Bolt.new, Google Maps, scrape it, build a site, make a screen record, send a personalized email to each of these, shops, and that's it. You're in business. They'll reply to you. They're like, oh, cool. Thank you very much for putting together this website. Yes, we're definitely interested. Jump on a call with them, schedule a call, sell them the website, and then boom, send them the invoice, they send you the money, you give them the code or whatever it is, figure out how to give them the website, and that's it. You made your first 2.5K from one client. Do it 3 more times, you just made your first 10K. And you can do it all by yourself, so your overhead is going to be nothing. Well, okay, you might pay for the tools a little bit, but that's a small cost. So that's my 10K method. Not mine. I stole it from Chris.